Hi guys, we are going to the farm with our visitors. Mainly Paul, Talbot, and Danielle and Daniela. Hi guys, say hi everyone watching my vlog. Hey, okay, yeah, we're heading there. He wants to see the farm, guys. Hi, shout out. You can shout out your friends.
Yes, hello to my friends in Australia.
Okay. Uy, Militot, where are you going? Militot, dali. Okay. Yeah.
Long walking.
Yeah, we just have to walk. Walking.
Walking.
Yep.
Oh. We can make a long video anyway.
Yeah, it's a long video.
Yep. I just tag you there soon. What's up, guys? Shout out sa mga viewers. Ambot kasi mga viewers ani.
It's 29 degrees at the moment.
Yeah. Uy. We have a very tall visitor.
And white, yes. Tall and white.
Yeah, tall and white. And with a gray hair. Yeah. Alright. What's up? Shout out! Ayaw dia, Gidoy! Wilitot, ayaw dia! This is a tricycle here. Tricycle.
My haircut today cost me $4.
Oh! $4.
$4.
No, no, sorry. Just let the dog bark, that's all.
You don't want me to get run over, then you can't spend any money.
Yeah. It's his first time to go in our farm, in the Talbot farm. Yeah. Buat. Oh.
How much is that Yeah, you put it in. You put it, 1.2 million
Oh.
pesos for the silver car.
Oh, geez.
One.
Hi.
That's it. Three.
Padulong nami guys.
I think
30,000.
Ayan si Paul, yes, likod.
58.
I think
30,000.
it's more than that.
Yeah.
That's pretty dear for that little car, even in Australia.
That's my mom there, Ella, Diana,
Over there, yeah.
Rayboy, and Winlitut. And in my back, it's Paul, Desiree, and Danielle. Yeah,
Hot.
hot.
Yeah.
It's hard to come back because your feet will hurt. Yeah. Sore.
Yeah, no, we'll just catch a taxi on back up the hill.
Mm.
Yeah. Daniel will pay, he's got 10 pesos.
No, I don't have 10 pesos. I only have 5 because
Eh, abri mo na boy.
rubber bands.
Oh, you bought the rubber bands.
Alright.
Oh, well, I could have brought the rubber bands for free.
Woo!
Yep. Oh, I better watch where I'm stepping.
Yeah, watch out.
If I fall over, I get down to the bottom quicker.
Roll over.
Oh,
Hold. Hold on.
yay. Hold on to the bamboo railing.
Yeah, we do it.
Yeah, that's good.
Just lately.
It's so hard to come to the farm if it's raining because
You very, yeah,
it's so
slips.
very slippery. Super duper.
That's all right.
Daniela and
Amy can carry you.
no way.
Yeah.
Daniela and Doy got their slip and the bum is muddy.
Wow.
Yeah.
Slip in
Okay,
the,
so, oh,
I
yeah.
slip in
This
the
is the bridge that we're making.
Oh,
It's
wow.
cost 150,000.
650. Oh, it's dangerous. It's got steel things there.
Uh,
Oh, you gotta watch out for them, don't you?
yeah.
Make sure they get your leg on that.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're not
Wow.
going to that.
There's a dog died here.
Hey,
There's a dog died here.
the dog died, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just doing that.
Woo.
No, I'm not looking. I'm looking where I'm going. Wow.
Woo, woo.
There's a rocks there and they're so slippery.
The
You
rock.
need to slow. You need to watch out.
Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just slowly. That is speed size. Slow and stop.
Slow and, yes, that's right.
Very slow.
And that is slow, stop, and backwards.
Backwards. Oops.
Oh, almost.
Watch out.
Almost.
Watch out for your head here, tall guy.
Catch me.
Watch out for your head in there. You're very tall.
Yeah, oh, good. Wow.
Right.
Australian is tall.
Is that?
Yeah.
All right. We're almost there.
But if you go back, it's very hard.
It,
Your feet will stay.
oh, okay.
There's a way to watch.
We'll catch a taxi back.
There's no taxi in here.
A taxi on a motorbike.
We'll take an Uber.
An Uber.
Um,
Uber, yes. Yeah.
Gee. Doy. You get slowly.
Slowly. But slowly.
Oh, thanks. It's a long walk, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a good exercise anyway.
Yeah, what's exercise? What's that?
Actually, there's so many snakes.
Snakes?
Yeah.
Oh, now you tell me. Yeah, that's alright.
Snakes. But they're scared of the people anyway. Oh, we got more okras here. Do you eat okra?
Who?
You have some old okra there?
Opera?
Yeah, we grow
I
that.
thought you said opera.
Okra. Okra.
What is it? What's okra?
It's a vegetable.
Oh, okay.
Just walk in here. It's wet there. You might get slept.
And this
Yeah.
farm.
Welcome to the farm.
Wow.
There's a corn, but it's not a big corn.
Uy, uy, uy.
Yellow corn.
Yellow corn.
Yeah, here we are.
You can see the rabbits inside.
See the rabbits, yes.
There's a ducks there.
Wow. What are you growing here?
Peanuts.
There's a peanut in here.
Peanuts.
Yeah, it's growing now here. There.
Oh, wow.
And that ones are local turnips.
Oh, turnips.
Yeah. But it's a it's vines.
Oh, you got lettuce.
It's not lettuce, it's radish.
Oh, radish.
Speedy radish. We got the
Leaves.
coconuts here.
Yep.
Okay.
Coconuts, yep.
Coconut.
out!
Watch
Oh,
out for that.
yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you have to hold your head. Or you can go around in the other side.
No.
Oh, you just have to walk like that.
Yep.
Mm.
Yep.
Okay, Mr. Tall Guy. Uy, nasa naman itong door, uy. The door is broke. Yun sa naman na. Alright, here we are in our,
Wow.
in the fish pond. Fishing.
Wow.
We got lots
Yeah.
of ducks.
Ducks inside there.
Oh, the ducks.
Yep.
Wow.
And this is our hanging place. Hanging.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
Ella.
Here,
My
yeah.
sister.
Your beautiful sister.
Yep. You're 16 in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I better buy you a present before I leave.
Yeah, because you're not here.
Yeah. Only behave yourself.
Woo!
Yeah.
All right, you're already here in Talbot Farm. What can you say? Interview.
I'm hot.
But you can sit. Uy, dirty. What is it?
Yeah.
But you can sit. Anyway, it's cooler here, so
Yep. Yeah, no,
that's
it's
the main
really
thing.
nice. Look at
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Do you own all that?
Hmm?
Do you own all that?
No,
No, not yet.
only this other side, and then there are a couple of lands there
Yep.
in the middle, and then my brother's land there also at the back.
Right, yep.
And then right in that, you see that hill there.
Yep.
In the edge, in boundary of that, we got 11,000 square meter there.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
mm,
Oh, that's good.
that would be another extension
Yeah.
for the Talbot farm. Okay.
Right.
Eh, Ella.
Cool.
Oi, you get
Where
the
the
fish,
the ducks are
fish
there.
feed. Yeah, we can have
How many ducks you got?
about 30.
About 30.
Yes.
Well, at dinner time tonight, you're going to have 29 ducks.
Yeah. Boy, abre, sapi ka sa ridoy. Boy. We're gonna get in the door here. There's a... Abre, sa, boy. Oh, it's already open anyway.
Oh, it's open.
Okay.
The people come and steal the ducks?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, do they? Oh.
This is
so good.
our farm.
Yeah, hello, ducks.
Hello, duckies.
Yeah.
At the rabbits.
Here is the rabbit place here.
Like a whole village here, isn't it?
Yeah, village of animals.
Yeah. Yep.
There are chickens in here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, push. Woo! Ah,
Wow.
there's a black. You know
Oh,
that
yes, the
I
black-
am Simani.
The black ones are expensive, aren't
Yeah, they do.
they? Yeah. You can't bear it. They're rare. They're rare, the black chooks.
There are chickens eating their eggs.
Yep.
It's not good.
Oh,
Yeah.
And there's a
well, that's
rabbit
no good.
there.
Okay.
Oh,
We're gonna
rabbits.
close because
Oh,
they're gonna
wow.
go.
Yes. Yeah, really close the door.
Right. Okay, ra ka diya, boy. I'll knock. Okay, 1, 2. Okay.
You forgot to say 3.
Yeah, these are the breeding
Oh,
place.
rabbits.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then there are grown ones.
Wow. What are their names? They got names?
No,
No?
they're all rabbits.
Rabbits. That's their name. Rabbits.
Yeah, rabbits.
Yep. Rabbits.
Yep.
This one is Jesse, and this
And what
is
do you
Mike.
what do you do with these? Do you just sell them alive, or do you kill them? Or eat them?
Mostly we sell them for pet
Oh, for
alive.
pets.
Yeah,
But you don't do you kill them and eat them? These ones?
actually we did.
Yep.
We make a lechon, and then the viewers is just sending me cry emoticons.
That's a nice rabbit.
Yeah,
Oh, they look. Oh, they're so friendly, aren't they?
yeah.
Are they hungry?
Hello, they're hungry, must be.
Eh?
Hello.
I can't pat them because they might have a disease.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't want to get sick and stay here for months.
Mm.
Yeah.
I want to go back to work.
Hello.
No.
No. There are little ducks in
See,
here.
these lights are good.
Yeah. But there are
3,000 watt.
that's avocado tree. You see that? There's one fruit there.
Yep.
Yeah. Avocado tree.
No,
Look
that's,
at the ducks.
Solar panel. That's all right.
And there are little ones here. Uy, nakagawas ang manok. Nawala na yung tubig, boy.
Oh, the bridge might break with me on it.
Here. The little baby ones in here.
So what's in here?
The duckling.
Oh,
With the mother,
ducklings.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Mm.
And what are you going to do with the ducks?
Actually, people are coming and buying, you
Yep.
see.
How much is one duck? Would you just...
It's per kilo.
Oh, per kilo.
But
oh, okay.
mostly the ducks have 3 kilos here because they're giant ones.
So how much per kilo?
200.
Pesos.
Yeah. So
So
cost 600, yeah.
600 pesos.
Mm.
600 pesos per duck.
Yeah.
Oh.
Depend on the kilo, you see. They're also up to 5 kilos when it's very big.
So 600 pesos is $15.38 per duck.
Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
We just use the rice husk
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
and they love it.
So they just... Who fed it now?
My brother.
Oh, he's here.
Ray boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, your brother. That's right. Your brother's here.
You want some buko? We're gonna get some buko there. Here.
Yeah, what's that?
Coconut, yeah.
Coconut, yeah.
Yeah.
Are they, but they're not ready yet, are they?
Oh, they're ready.
Yep.
That one's there. They're ready. But you cannot climb up the coconut, are you?
No, I'm not going to climb up. I'll climb up and fall down.
Yeah, for sure. That would be bad.
How much is a coconut?
Oh,
To buy a coconut?
anyway, we're not selling boko here, but we sell the old ones.
Yeah.
We use for coconut cream and things like that, and copra.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but actually, I have a plan in this area.
Yeah.
One day, we're gonna turn it into a resort
Turn into a resort.
with a swimming pool, must be. And people are in Philippines. People like going to resort, like especially when there's birthday, like hot weather. They go around and they having a bijuoki like that, and they like to pay the cottage. You see?
Oh, you're going to build cottages?
Yeah, like that in here.
Yep.
And swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Wow.
Yeah, you like swimming here.
I would not be coming to stay.
Oh wow!
I wouldn't swim in that.
Not now. It's muddy.
Yeah, it's muddy. Yeah. Yeah.
But that would be just a plan.
A plan.
Hanging plan.
Good to have a plan.
Yeah, here we are. We're going in the fish pond to feed the fish. We just harvest the fish here yesterday. Yesterday ba to, Ila?
All right.
Yeah, yesterday. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Una pa may dagko de, Ila na. There are still big ones. Yeah. Look at the kids. They're eating the little berry. There's a little berry.
Berries.
Yeah, they're
I saw
like.
you on YouTube the other day eating the berries.
This pond, Doy and Ella is when the first time they came here, we make this.
Oh, you made these, right?
Yeah, Doy helped to do it. Ngani man?
Oh,
I said my mother said you try to feed the fish.
oh, what's that?
Can
I eat them?
Yeah, you can.
No.
Yeah, it's like a pig, like pigs. Here also, Hugma. Yeah. They're local thing. When we were young, we are just become crazy picking this and we eat. Oh. All right, enjoying feeding the fish, huh?
They're going to be hungry. I mean, they're going to get full. Gee, look at that big one there.
Yeah.
Gee. You use a net to catch them?
Yeah, but there are lots of rocks around. You cannot get them very easily. I do that because people are stealing this fish.
Oh.
They use the net.
Oh, yeah.
I make them hard time, so I put rocks in there.
Yeah.
That's another idea anyway.
That's right, another idea. Good to have ideas.
Yeah. Oi, there's a monkey there.
A monkey in the tree.
Yeah, there's a monkey.
Ngalan niya, Diana.
Diana.
They're not easy.
Say hi. 19 minutes in the vlog. Yeah.
Maligo ko dito niya kay Ika.
Yeah.
But here,
There are plenty here.
there's still lots.
It's a nice horizon around there. Mm.
There's another one there.
There.
I don't know how he gonna go there. Maybe like that.
Yeah. No, I won't walk over there. I better not.
All right. Ila, ikaw na lang dito. Kamu ni sa ikaw.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. There are little fish. Very small ones in the side. Oh. Before I made a hatchery down below.
A hatch. A tree.
Yeah, but they're going away when there's a heavy rain, and then there's a hole that is easy
Yeah.
for them to come out, and I saw all my fish there in the rice field.
Ah. Someone stole them.
No, because of the flood, they go with the water.
Oh, okay.
There is Ella there.
Your mum's having
Ella.
a nice rest.
Yeah,
Yep.
in the swing.
In the swing, yeah. Yeah. But
Yes,
hopefully
enjoy.
It doesn't break.
Yeah. Anyway, that's durable one.
Yeah, I tried one, yeah.
I make sure it's durable one because I also swing in there.
It's nice, nice. Yep, there's Ella.
Yeah.
Don't fall in. Where's the snakes?
There's no snakes.
Down there.
Oh,
It's a bit bushy there. That's the favorite place for the snakes to hide.
Oh, well. it's better
That's the
for
house
Ella to
that's
be
not
there than
finished
me.
yet.
Ella can get bitten, not me.
Okay.
Yes.
I think it's 21 minutes,
Yes, that's a long
almost
time now.
22. So, all right, guys.
Bye.
That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hey, say everyone. Bye. Oh,
Daniel.
Bye.
Daniel. Say goodbye.
Say bye. Bye to the vlog.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, everyone. Okay.